Hey friends, if you wish to know what Windows PowerShell is, then please watch this video. I will guide you through it. So we have command prompt, okay, and it always exists. But there is a new application called PowerShell. It looks similar to command prompt, and a lot of functions are similar. So here's what you have to do, okay. And this is a little different application, but a lot of functions are the same. Now this uses the .NET framework first of all. The second thing with this is that you will be able to run commands which will not be run on the command prompt, elevated command prompt. You will be able to delete, uninstall a lot of Windows applications like Windows Photos, Microsoft Store, etc. using Windows PowerShell, and that cannot be done using command prompt. And other than this, you can also perform a lot of actions with lesser commands using Windows PowerShell. So if you wish to learn about it, you can consider a course with .NET, but this is what PowerShell is used for. It is similar to command prompt, but much better than that, although it is a very different scripting language. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.